we're going to do a quick review of plotting coordinates on an coordinate plane. So remember that the x value is our horizontal, that's left to right value, and that y is our vertical, okay, so from up and down. So a couple things to remember when we're talking about a coordinate plane. We're talking about two number lines essentially. So when we're moving from the middle to the left, we're going to be going in a negative direction. When we're moving to the right, we're going positive, just like in a number line. Same thing vertically. When you're moving up, you're moving positive. When you're down, you're moving negative. So maybe that will help you remember which directions to go. So first thing, when we are talking about it, we're going to plot the point 4, 4. So the first step down at the bottom tells you to always begin at the origin. So here is the origin. That's this point right here. It is 0, 0. Okay, so you're always going to start here. And now this tells me that it is horizontal, so I'm going to be moving positive 4. So that's to the right. So I'm going to be moving 4 places. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so you see our little Mario, he's moving 4 places to the right, and then we're going to jump either up or down. So in this case, since it's a positive 4, we're going to be moving up 4. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is our final resting place, which is going to be the point 4, 4. Okay? Now, if we are dealing with negatives, it's a little bit different. So again, we start at the origin. All right, and notice the x tells me to move left or right. In this case, it is a negative 3, so we are moving to the left. So we're going to go 3, 1, 2, 3 places to the left, and then to the y value, which is negative 6. So this means I'm going to be going down because it's negative. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and right here is our final resting place for Mario. Okay. And that's the essentials of how to plot a coordinate. Okay, so there's a couple things of practice on the back that I want to show you very quickly. If you have questions, remember there's another website that you can go to that I've linked that explains it even more, maybe in a little bit different way, and I can also upload a couple of other videos if you need to, so just let me know. I'll be happy to send those to you. Now on the back, alright, you have 2 different questions here. So the first 8, you are labeling the point. So you have to find out what the coordinate is here. So for A, we start at the origin. Now I'm not going left or right. So because I'm not going left or right, the x value stays at 0. But then I am going down 1, 2, 3. So that's going to be negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 that I'm traveling down on the y value. Same thing with B. I start at 0 and I'm going negative 1, 2, 3, 4. So he's negative 4 to the left, that letter. And then a positive direction, I'm moving up 2. Okay, so I'm moving negative 4, 2. So this point is 0, negative 3. This point is negative 4, positive 2. And you're going to continue that for the next 7 practice problems. Okay? Now down here, you are given the point and asked to plot them. So I'm going to start with 5, negative 2. So again at 0, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to go negative down 2. And that's my first point, and that is letter Q. All right. Now the second one is negative 4, negative 4. So I'm going to be going to the left from the origin 4, and I'm going to be going down from that point 4. And so my point goes here, and that is the letter R. Don't forget to label these, okay? So you want to make sure you label it with the letter that's out beside it, and you have 7 more of those to complete as well. All right, and then don't forget about anything else that you need to complete, a few assignments that are going to be due soon, so make sure that you check out what those are on Google Classroom, okay? If you have any questions, make sure you talk to me about it. Thank you.